Look, I can't speak for the delegation. I would like to believe that given that in 2010 also a similar sort of informal approach was made by some of the participants of the all-party delegation to Hurriyat leaders at that time. I'd like to believe that the same is possible today. But again, it's for members of the delegation to make the effort, and B, for leaders of the Hurriyat conference to actually meet them. I don't think it's a bad thing. If we could do it in the past, I see no reason why we can't do it now.
Red lines have been...
To be honest with you, I made it very clear to this all-party delegation that their lack of follow-up from the previous all-party delegation has discredited this process to a great extent. This all-party delegation has a mammoth task ahead of them to rebuild the lost credibility, and they are all responsible for it because they were all part of the 2010 process. They should have followed up as to what happened with the interlocutor's report. They should have owned the outcome of that all-party delegation. Their failure to own the outcome of the 2010 all-party delegation has resulted in a dramatic shrinkage of the number of people and delegations that are willing to meet them this time. In 2010, the cross-section of people that was willing to meet the all-party delegation was much wider and much deeper than it is today. Today, I fear, other than a handful of mainstream political parties, at least formally, the number of groups from Kashmir meeting this all-party delegation is going to be very small. And for that, I'm sorry, this mechanism has only itself to blame. हमने ऑल पार्टी डेलीगेशन को पुरानी बातों का याद दिलाया जब यहाँ मरहूम राजीव गांधी साहब पहले ऑल पार्टी डेलीगेशन के साथ आए थे देवीलाल साहब के वक्त में। उस वक्त राजीव गांधी साहब ने कहा कि आज़ादी छोड़ के ज़रा सा छोटा सा रिश्ता आप हमारे साथ रखिए, बाकी सारा कुछ ले लीजिए। उसके बाद नरसिम्हा राव साहब का वादा बुर्किना फासो से कि शॉर्ट ऑफ आज़ादी स्काई इज़ द लिमिट। हमारे पैर तो ज़मीन से ऊपर नहीं गए, स्काई की तो दूर की बात। और आज हम राम माधव साहब का बयान पढ़ते हैं कि आस्क फॉर द मून बट विद इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। जनाब, हम लोगों ने जब आइन के अंदर बात की उसका क्या हशर हुआ? मेरे वालिद साहब ने उस वक्त नरसिम्हा राव को कहा जनाब ये अंदरूनी खुद मुख्तारी में ज़्यादा देरी मत करिए, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि जब आप देने के लिए तैयार होंगे यहाँ लेने वाला कोई नहीं होगा। और बदकिस्मती से हमें आज वही सूरत हाल नज़र आ रही है। ये अगर देने के लिए भी तैयार होंगे, आज शायद लेने वाले जो हैं बहुत कम होंगे।